Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the solenoid, a coil of wire that produces a magnetic field like a bar magnet. By the end of this, you'll know the field pattern and how to determine the polarity. A solenoid is a coil of wire, many turns wound around a cylindrical form. When current flows, the coil produces a magnetic field that looks just like a bar magnet. Straight, uniform field lines inside the coil and curving back outside. Three things. 1. The field inside the coil is uniform and parallel. That's why solenoids are useful for things like MRI scanners that need a uniform field. 2. Outside the field lines loop from one end to the other, just like a bar magnet. 3. Which end is north and which is south depends on the current direction. Use the right-hand grip rule. Common slip. Drawing the field as concentric circles around the whole coil like a single wire. That's the field around a single straight wire. A solenoid's field is more like a bar magnet's. Quick example. A solenoid wrapped around an iron core makes a powerful electromagnet. Switch the current on, it picks up steel objects. Switch off, they drop. This is the basis of relays, doorbells, and many other devices. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.